Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 13 from English grammar, which is determiners and quantifiers. Actually, when we are doing determiners, we came across a lot of common terms which we might have heard in while doing the adjectives. So generally the question comes that are the determiners a part of adjective, or there is really any difference between a determiner and an adjective. So in order to know all this, first let us go to the definition of the determiners. So what are determiners? So determiners are words used before nouns to indicate which nouns are being referred to. So they are either specific or general in meaning. So they are words basically which are used before the nouns to indicate which nouns are being referred to, means they are pointing out to which nouns they are referred to. So there are various types of determiners such as the articles. These are also determiners like a and the demonstratives are there, this, these, that, those. Possessives are there, my, our, your. His, her, its, their. These are possessives. Cardinal and ordinal numbers are there, 1, 2, 10, first, second, 10th, etc. Quantifiers are there like many, few, several, all, some, more, most, none. Distributives are there like each, every, either, neither. And also interrogatives are there like which, whose, what. So like this decision, example is giving, this decision to postpone the match is fine by me. So this is a determiner which is basically a demonstrative determiner. So it is actually indicating to which noun we are referring to. Like there are a few things I wanted to ask you. So these are the words actually which are indicating, okay, or which are indicating which nouns we are referring to. So when I just read out the words apart from demonstrative, possessives, cardinal, ordinals, quantifiers, distributive, interrogative, we all did this in adjectives. So what are the adjectives? Or they are different from adjectives. So in order to know that, we need to know the difference between adjective and determiners. So the difference between adjective and determiners goes as both adjectives and determiners provide more information about nouns. However, adjectives describe and modify the quantity of nouns. They can be placed before or after the noun. Adjectives do not get affected by the gender and number of the noun. Determiners specify now or point out the position of noun. They can only be placed before noun. They change from depending the gender and number of the noun. So this is what an determiner and an adjective is. Both provide information about nouns, but they are different, as adjectives do not get affected by the gender and number of the noun, and determiners change depending on the gender and number of the noun. So like the tall man is my neighbor, this is an adjective, and a determiner is those blue flowers are arranged beautifully on the table. So we are coming to the determiners one by one. First we come to the articles. So the articles a and the are used as determiners. So a and the, they are the most commonly used determiners that we know. Like I need a glass of water, a glass, a is the determiner here, which is indicating the noun glass. That is an intelligent answer, an intelligent, okay. Demonstratives. So demonstrative means The words this, that, these, those are used as demonstrative. This and that are used with singular nouns, while these and those are used with plural noun. Demonstrative are basically means pointing out. Okay, this egg, I am pointing out this egg. This egg has not been boiled properly. Those students have registered for the course. So these are demonstratives. Possessives. Possessive means ownership or belongingness. This belongs to me, that belongs to me, like that. So possessives help or show ownership. So words like my, your, our, his, her, its are used as possessives. We are traveling in our car. Our car is the possessives, ownership. The car belongs to us. There are various words like my, your, our which can be used as possessives. Cardinals and ordinals. This we did in adjectives when we did the numbers, numerical adjectives. So cardinals specify the number of countable nouns. Ordinals indicate a series or sequence. This we did already in the adjectives. Like she bought 6 oranges. This is a cardinal number. 6 is a cardinal. While this is my second trip. We are indicating a series or a sequence. Second, first, second, third. So this second trip is an ordinal number. Now quantifier. Quantifier actually specify the quantity or amount of nouns. So they specify actually. This is what quantifier does. There are various quantifiers that are used with nouns such as few. The word few. So few means almost none and it is used with a countable nouns. There are a few people in the auditorium. Few people, specifying the quantity. Little means hardly any, used with uncountable nouns. So there is a little light in the room. All means everything and everyone, used with both countable and uncountable. All the money is spent. Much, used with uncountable nouns. There is not much sugar in the coffee. Many, used with countable nouns. Many kids have registered for the summer camp. Some, the quantifier some is used to refer to an unspecified number or amount. There is some bread in the fridge, and some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Any, used to refer to a specified number or amount. It is used with a negative verb and used in interrogatives also. He does not have any spare time. Any spare time. Okay, so these are the quantifiers, a few quantifiers which I showed in the form of a table. Your job is to write these tables in your copy, in your English language copy. So when the class is over, your job is just to jot down the notes and then study it in minute details. Then comes another determiner which is called distributive. Means it refers to each one of a group. They are each, every, either, neither. So these are the words that are used. Like every child is unique. Which means I am referring with one word, I am referring to all the childs. Each one of the child is unique. Okay, so that is what I want to mean. Every child is unique. So this is distributive. The word defines that. Interrogatives. Interrogative means questions. Interrogatives are used in questions to gather more information about nouns. So there are two interrogative determiners, what and which. Like which book do you want to read? So this is determiner. Okay, means I am determining which book, what. Okay, so all the words are not will be the determiners. Determiners are actually words which are used to indicate the nouns which are being referred to. So it is actually specifying that. Since it is being specified, so all the words will not be used, but only the determiners will be used. In case of articles, perhaps a and the, since articles are all a and the only, so they are used, but this is what the determiners are. Okay, there are other WH words which are not used as interrogatives, determiners, but which and what are used. So this is what the determiner does. write this example, solve the exercises. So the exercises are, first is fill in the blanks using appropriate articles. The first one has been done for you. Like, when I woke up in dash morning, I was surprised to see dash envelope near my pillow. When I woke up in the morning, I was surprised to see an envelope near my pillow. So in this way you will write, like number 2, in dash kingdom of great, in the kingdom of great there lived dash cruel king, a cruel king. So this is one which I told you just now. Another type of exercise, number B, is you will be solving this on your own actually. I just told you in order to make you understand. So next is complete the sentences using appropriate demonstratives. So first ones have been done for you. The demonstrative means these ones, okay, these, that, those, these, those, so which you use. Look at dash birds flying in the sky, aren't they beautiful? So look at those birds flying in the sky. Okay, so just now 2, 3, 4, 5 you will be doing on your own in your copy. These were actually about the determiners and quantifiers that your class 7 book actually permits you to learn. There are more definitions could be given, but for your exams, for your class 7, this much is enough. If you prepare this one, I believe determiners and quantifiers will not be a problem, especially if you read the charts, if you read the definitions, if you understand the examples once again, if you write the examples on your own, then only it will be easier for you to understand. Okay students, okay, thank you. I am ending this class now. Have a nice day.